For our reading this week, we are working on George Washington. So we are going to go ahead and we're going to read a little bit about George Washington, and then you guys will need a scrap piece of paper because you're going to work on writing for me what you think George Washington looks like and a couple of things that you learned about him. So George Washington was born in Westmoreland County, Virginia, on February 22nd, 1732. George Washington was America's first president. He helped America's laws and called the Constitution. So a very short story. Now, after I'm done reading it, I would like you to now try to read it on your own. There are some big words in here, but there are also some sight words and some words that you can tap out. So go ahead and try to read those on your own. And then when you're done, I want you to come down to this slide right here. And you are not going to type in this slide whatsoever. I just kind of wanted to show you what I would like you to do. So on a scrap piece of paper, I want you to draw me a picture of what you think George Washington looks like. And then you're going to write down for me 2 things that you have learned about George Washington on a scrap piece of paper. Working on capitalization at the beginning of a sentence, punctuation at the end, spaces in between our words. And if you don't know how to spell a word, I want you to try to tap it out. That is it for your reading lesson.